Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you chapter 8, linear equation. You have learned about in previous classes linear equations and their solution. Now, today also I shall review here in linear equation two terms. First term is equation. First term is equation. Equation. A statement of a statement of a statement of a statement of equality, a statement of equality which contains one or more variables, one or more variables is called an equation. It's called an equation. Equation. And second term is linear equation. Linear equation. First term is a statement of equality which contains one or more variables is called an equation. And next term is linear equation. An equation involving an equation involving only linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial is called a linear equation. It's called a linear equation. Students, any equation have two parts. First part is left hand side and second part is called right hand side. Example 1 2x plus 3 equal to x minus 7 is a example of linear equation. Its left hand side 2x plus 3 and right hand side x minus 7. And next 3 by 2x plus 5 equal to x by 2 minus 5. It is also an example of linear equation. Students, in equation both sides we can add same quantity both sides. We can subtract from same quantity both sides. We can multiply both sides same quantity. We can also divide same quantity both sides. Now, solution of linear equation. Solution of a linear equation. to find the value of variable, which satisfied the equation is called the solution. Students, there are two methods of solution of equation. First method is transposition method. Transposition method. Transposition method. It is very common method and easy method to solve equation. Transposition method. Rules of this method is any term change its sides, left hand side to right hand side and right hand side to left hand side. It is called transposition method. So first, plus by transposition change into minus, and to minus by transposition change into plus, and third multiply by transposition change into divide, and fourth divide by transposition change into multiply, and five fraction a by b by transposition change into b by a. And second thing is, if an equation ax plus b by cx plus d equal to m by n, here use by cross multiplication, where m by n is a fraction. So here use by cross multiplication, n is multiplied by x plus b and m is multiplied by cx plus d. So write it n into ax plus b equal to m into cx plus d. It is called by cross multiplication method. Write it. Students, with the help of transposition method and by cross multiplication method, we can solve exercise 8a. So, question number 2 and 5 are written on this board. Question number 5, 2 is 5x plus 7 equal to 2x minus 8. Question number 5 is 7 by 5 equal to y minus 4. In question number 2, left hand side 5x plus 7 and right hand side 2x minus 8. One method is very easier. All constant, all variables separated in the left hand side and all constant term separated in the right hand side. So change variable terms in left hand side and constant term in right hand side. So that implies 5x minus 2x plus 2x by transposition change into minus 2x equal to minus 8 plus 7 by transposition change into minus 7. Next step is 5x minus 2x 3x equal to minus 8 minus 7. Minus 8 minus 7 is minus 15. Next step, x equal to, here 3 is multiply in x by transposition change into divide. So 15 minus 3 equal to minus 5. 3 5 is 15 minus 5 answer. Next question is question number 5. 7 by 5 equal to y minus 4. First of all, use here cross multiplication. So 5 have divide By transposition change into multiplier also. So 7 by 5 equal to 7y equal to 5 into y minus 4. That implies 7y equal to, remove the bracket, plus into plus plus, 5 into y, 5y, plus into minus minus, 5 into 4, 20. Next step is 7y plus 5y by transposition change into minus 5y equal to minus 20. That implies 7y minus 5y equal to 2y equal to minus 20. That implies y equal to, here 2 is multiplying it by, after transposition, by transposition change is divide. So minus 20 by 2 equal to minus 10 answer. Write it. Students, next question is question number 7. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 equal to 0. Left hand side, 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6, and right hand side is only 0. So solve it. First of all, remove its bracket. 15 into y, 15y plus into minus minus, 15 into 4, 15 4 is 60, plus into minus minus, 2 into y, 2y, minus into minus plus, 9 2 is 18. Now plus into plus plus, 5 into y, 5y, plus into plus plus, 5 6 is 30 equal to 0. Now calculate the variables. 15y minus 2y plus 5y, 15y minus 2y, 13y, 13y plus 5y, 13 plus 5, 18y, minus 60 plus 30 is minus 30, minus 30 plus 18 equal to minus 12 equal to 0. That implies 18y equal to minus 12 by transposition change into plus 12. Here 18 is multiplying x, so by transposition 18 is change into divide. So 12 by 18. 6 2 is 12 and 6 3 is 18. 2 by 3 is the solution of this question. Write it. Students, next question, question number 10 is written on this board is, in this question, 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Find the value of t. That implies take an LCM of 4 and 3. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. 3t minus 2 by 3t minus 2 multiply by 3. 4 3 is 12. So 3 3 is 90 minus 2 3 is 6 minus 3 4 is 12. 2t plus 4 multiply by 4. So 4 2 is 8t. This minus sign change its sign, plus sign change into minus. Minus 3 4 is 12 equal to, here also LCM is 3. So 2, 3 1 is 3, 2 1 is 2, minus 3 1 is 3, 3 into t, 3t. Here 12 is cancelled by 3, 3 4 is 12. Now write it. 9t minus 8t. 9t minus 8t is t. Minus 6. Minus 6 minus 12. Minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18 by 4 equal to 2 minus 3t. Next step is t minus 18. T minus 18. 4 here divide. By transposition change its multiply. So 4 into 2 minus 3t. That implies t minus 18 equal to 4 to the 8 plus into minus minus 4 3 the 12. 12t. That implies t minus 12t by transposition change into plus 12t equal to 8. Minus 18 by transposition change into plus 18. Here t plus 12t equal to 13t. 8 plus 18 equal to 26. That implies t equal to 13 by transposition change into divide. 26 by 13. 13 to the 26 equal to 2 is the solution of this question. Write it. Students, last selected question is question number 14. 4 minus 2 into z minus 4 by 3 equal to 1 by 2 into 2z plus 5. First of all, remove the bracket. That implies 4 minus plus into plus minus into plus minus 2 into z, 2z minus 4 to the 8 by 3 equal to 1 by 2 into 2z plus 1 by 2 into 5. So 5 by 2. 2 cancel. That implies 4 minus 2z minus 8 by 3 equal to here z plus 5 by 2. Now take an LCM. Here 3 4 are 12 minus 2z. This minus sign change its sign plus 8. Equal to take an LCM 2z plus 5. 12 plus 8 20 minus 2z by 3 equal to 2z plus 5 by 2. By cross multiplication here 2 multiplied by 20 minus 2z, so 20 to the 40 minus 2 to the 4z equal to 2z plus 5 multiplied by 3. So 2 3 are 6z plus 15. Now by transposition minus 4z minus 6z plus 6z by transposition change into minus 6z equal to 15 minus 40 by transposition plus 40 by transposition minus 40. That implies minus 4z minus 6z minus 10z equal to minus 15 minus 40 minus 25. Minus 2 minus cancel. That implies z equal to 25 by 10. 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. So 5 by 2 is the answer of this question. Students, today homework is solve exercise 8A. Solve exercise 8A. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 8A. Thank you. That's all.